How does a cold-blooded creature stay warm in the tropical sun? Bask in the tropical warmth with the iguana, a sun worshipper that has mastered the art of thermoregulation. The iguana strategically positions itself to absorb or avoid the sun's warmth, showcasing a dance of adaptation to the rhythm of nature. Witness the iguana's sunlit ballet as it navigates its environment with precision, a testament to the delicate balance between environmental harmony and survival. Their ability to regulate body temperature through sunbathing isn't just a behavior. It's a finely tuned mechanism that allows them to thrive in their sunny habitats.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more animal facts.